Good morning YouTube. Well, it's time to water my Masdevallias. I've got the spray bottle filled up with 6 litres of rainwater. It's the 3rd week of my cycle, so it's just rainwater that helps flush through. And I just thought I'd demonstrate how I water my Masdevallias. So here we go. Let's pick up the spray nozzle and I'll show you now how I water my Masdevallias to ensure that they get a good soaking. I probably do this 2 or 3 times a week, depending on the weather outside, but the majority 2 or 3 times a week is enough for Masdevallias. All I'm doing is moistening the roots to allow them not too soggy. As you can see, it's falling through. It's falling through at the moment on the Masdevallias below, but I don't mind that at the moment during the summer. A bit of drippy water going on to the other Masdevallias is not going to do them any harm. I certainly wouldn't do it in a winter. In a winter I would take individual pots and put them on the ground. I wouldn't want any water that can hang around underneath the pots or drip from the pots in the middle of the night when we've got cold spells. So yeah, this is how easy I make it. You know, I've got to be able to do it quickly. It is a hobby, as I've said on previous videos. I just like to keep on top all the time, and I just use this spray. It makes life a lot easier for me. As I said before, it's probably not everybody's cup of tea how they're going to water their orchids, and I'm certainly not telling everybody this is how to water your orchids. I'm saying this is how I water my Masdevallias. So from mixed Masdevallias to all you viewers, I've given you a bit of a insight how I do it. I'll finish off now because I've got to put the camera down. I can't move the last few pots while I've got the camera in my hand. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.